So welcome for today's class of geography. Today's question is taken from class 10 geography, and today's question is give geographical reason for the following. Like manufacturing is the backbone of every economy. It is said that manufacturing is the backbone of every economy. So you'll have to give a geographical reason for this. Okay. So first you all can take down the question, give geographical reason for the following. Manufacturing is the backbone of every economy. It is said that manufacturing is the backbone of every economy. So you all can take down the first point, the answer. Manufacturing industries help in modernizing agriculture. The second point is these industries provide alternate employment in the secondary and tertiary sector. The third point is industrial development is the basic step towards the removal of unemployment and poverty from our country. And the fourth point you all can take down is industrialization helps to reduce regional disparities within the countries. So I hope you have understood the answer of today's question, and thanks for watching.